You have someone?
No. I got no time for Peter Parker stuff. You know? I lost Gwen. She was my MJ. I couldn't save her. I'm never gonna be able to do
Не потерял.